How to fix invite collaborator not showing on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix if the invite collaborator option is not showing on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have Instagram, you've been trying to invite a collaborator, what you can do to invite them is by tapping the plus icon from the bottom. You can go about creating a simple post. When you try to create a simple post, you tap the next option and then you tap the next option again. Then you go to tag people, and here you'll find the option called invite collaborator. So you can basically invite collaborators to this feed over here. But what if that option is not showing up? Well, there are a couple of fixes and we cannot really blame it on one specific factor. For this, first of all, come to profile page, tap the three lines option and then go to settings. Go to privacy and make sure that you disable private account. Now in my case it is working even with private account on. For some coincidence it is just working. If it is not working in here, so you can just try to turn this thing off and then see if that helps you. After that you can just come to account. If you have a personal account, try to switch to professional or business account or creators account. So when you try to switch to professional account, you'll most likely be able to get that option after you relaunch the app. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.